Belonging. The Seafarers Yacht Club, Washington, D.C. The history of the Seafarers Yacht Club is well known. It is part of the history of Washington, D.C., the history of Black America, and advancement. It is the first Black yacht club in the United States of America. It was established by Mr. Lewis Green. Lewis was later joined by other Black boaters who were seeking a place to store their boats. With the support of Mary McLeod Bethune and her best friend, Eleanor Roosevelt, they were able to have the Department of Interior lease them the swampland known today as the Seafarers Yacht Club. Today, in this exhibit, you will see scenes and faces of belonging. Belonging to an established place that was built for people who had no place of their own and who created their own place when there was none for them in the area of boating. You will see communities. You will see events where they have invited neighbors and friends to the club. They invite their new neighbors and welcome them. You will also find the old guard who've been there since the 60s. There are 2 and 3 generations of the members of the Seafarers Yacht Club, and they love this place where they belong. They also tell stories among themselves. You see today the results of being a member and being a part of the Seafarers Yacht Club. They belong and they love their club.